We've seen a fair few different ways of manipulating arrays, but right up the top of this section, we're not going to go right up the top because it's pretty lengthy already. We called it manipulating and comparing arrays. So that's what we're going to cover in this video is comparison operators. We'll make a nice little heading. Comparison operators, beautiful. That's how we spell operators. Change it to Markdown. Now, you might have seen comparison operators in Python. Well, the good news is that in NumPy arrays, you can use those same comparison operators. So let's have a look. Let's get back our trusty A1 and A2 arrays. Wonderful. So let's try it out. We want A1 greater than A2. What's this going to return? It's going to return another array because that's the fundamental data type of NumPy. Basically everything is an array, an ND array. It's going to tell us whether each element in A1 is greater than each element in A2. So you can see 1 is not greater than 1, it's equal to 1. 2 is not greater than 2, it's equal to 2. 3 is not greater than 3.3 because 3.3 is higher. So let's have another look. Let's go A1 greater than or equal to A2. Now we can see we've got some true. So we've got some Boolean data types being returned in this array. So maybe if we go bool array equals that, bool array, we want to see that, and then we want to go type, you know the type, let's see it anyway. Type, it's going to be ND array. And then if we also wanted bool array dot D type, it's going to be data type bool. So this array is full of booleans here. Wonderful. So now we can see again, we got A1. Let's try another comparison of just a simple integer. A1 greater than 5. No. False, false, false. Let's go A1 less than 5. True, true, true. Wonderful. If we want to see if two arrays are equal, we can use the equal then comparison operator. That's a mouthful for me. True, true, true. That makes sense. We go A1 equals A2. Wonderful. We can see that the first two elements, let's go back down so we're not scrolling all the time. A1, another cell here, A2, and we can see, yep, element 0 is true, element 1 is true, and then the rest aren't equal. Okay. Now, if you wanted to find more of these comparison operators, we've just been through a few. You can try out some of your own. Let's look up the documentation. NumPy comparison operators. Logic functions. Yeah, let's have a look at this. All, any, array contents. There's a fair few here. Less, less equal, equal. We can use these symbols here. Okay, so there's a fair few more that we can do, but these are the main ones that you'll need if you ever need to compare arrays. You can use the exact same symbols that you use in Python with NumPy. So that's going to wrap up the manipulating and comparing arrays section. Let's go have a look at the next part. I'll see you in the next video.